guys, I'm in my 97 Civic. I'm going to replace the door speakers because they're sounding pretty crappy. I just bought some 300 watt kicker ones from Best Buy. And also going to switch out the boot, the shift boot, because the one it had was ripped and in bad condition. And this one that I bought from what's it called, AutoZone, was $9.99, and it didn't fit this particular vehicle, so I just went online and bought a Suede boot that fits a 97 Civic, this one. And the speakers that I bought for this car, for the doors, is these kicker, 6 inches, 6.5 inches, 300 watts. The ones I have right now are Pioneer ones, and they're not, they're not giving the best quality music that I would prefer. So originally I was going to replace the Toyota Celica, but turns out you have to take the whole door panel off, and it took me maybe 45 minutes to take one panel off, and all the wiring had to disconnect. So I just, I gave up. I just focus on the Civic, and you don't have to remove the door panel, just a little speaker cover. Now we're going to remove the old speaker of the driver's side. Just not that hard, just I'm holding it with one hand and doing it with the other. See, one, two, three. Okay, got this one. Let's see how good it sounds. That. Okay. Before we mount it up, let's see if it works.
But she don't want shit, you can't get it, her timing. We fucking these bitches as soon as we meet them, they is not coming. And if I want shit, then I get you if you wondering. Are you racing my pocket, got me paranoid. I told that girl don't fuck me if you fuck my boy. I don't want your love, so you know I just support. And got my pockets full too. Fuck you when I want to, fuck her when I want to, cause I do what I want to. Ay, count money, help my mood. All my niggas in my room so fast, cause you know they in them costumes. Ay, every day I wake up and I counting money. Oh, but y'all, here I come. You ready now? I keep big on. wondering. All these rest in my fight, you got me paranoid. I told that girl don't fuck me if you fuck my boy. I don't want your love, so you know I just avoid. And yeah, my pocket's super zombie, but she don't want shit, you can't get in her telling me. We fucking these bitches as soon as we meet them, they is not company. And if I want shit, then I get you if you wondering. I keep big on eyes, but I won't pick you up. Follow me, Lord, and I'm smoking on dope for the hit your blind. Shoot them dice, hit your blind. Money done, red, make 2 in a Rolls Royce. I'm in Fox, all that job, in the car. You ready now? I keep big on eyes, but I won't pick you up. Follow me, Lord, and I'm smoking on dope for the hit your blind. Shoot them dice, hit your guy. I need duct tape, bitch, no scars. All of these ways, I'm feeling my time. Avoid my ways, I gotta fix out. Catch me not leave, tryna find me. You better all find a Nemo, hey. Jump in the seat, hey. Oh, boy's $20, hey. She live by me, hey. Bitch, I'm tryna bad and hey. Run it by me, hey. Ain't no rules, hey. In the middle street, hey. Don't get up on me, hey. Make sure bitch get your blind. Shoot them dice.
This is the boot, guys, that I'm talking about. It looks like shit, and I don't like it one bit. So I bought the Suede one. Yeah, like 2 weeks ago I tried to replace it for to this one, and it looks shit. I mean, I ripped it a little bit so it can stretch onto the metal plate that's under it, and it made it worse, you know. But this one that I bought from online, cheap, you know, eBay one for like $8. It comes with the holes already in place, so I think you just have to hook them up correctly in each hook, and everything will, you know, come softly and fit perfect. But we'll have to find out on our own. Let's see. Take the blue shift knob off. Let's see. Come off from this. The fuck? Wow, this is really bad. See, guys, if you guys, I don't know if you guys can see well, but you know, that's a hole. I ripped it because it was just really difficult to put it on right. That's how it came out, guys, with the little blue outline and the black suede. From the back I had to use some zip ties because it would not hold, and I ripped a little bit by accident, but overall it looks pretty decent. I fucked up on touching it while it was still drying, but like, I'm not gonna leave it white. I'm gonna have to paint it blue. But I just had a white paint laying around, so that's why I used white, because I wasn't feeling this gray colorish. So probably gonna, you know, paint this as well, but I'm gonna have to take it off and do it. That's some other part in the future. Right now, you know, I wasn't even trying to do this. I just did it just because I was bored, and kind of gives it a better look. And yeah, that's basically how it came out with the Suede shift boot with the blue outline, and with my blue Dragon Ball. Thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe for more videos.